A pumped electrical storage facility generates 1.66 megawatts of power. So that's our output, right? Power output is 1.66 megawatts, right? Let's figure out the power input. Well, the power input is going to be our MGH divided by time, right? Okay. So it has a reservoir height of 130. So let's figure that out, right? So the power input is going to equal the mass, so 2,240 kilograms times 9.81 newtons per kilogram. And then it's 130 meters is our height change. And then this is what happens in 1 second. So I'm doing this energy divided by time, mgh over t, right? mgh over t. Okay, so let's figure that out. That's 2240 times 9.81 times 130. And that is 2 million. Okay, so that's our input, and then our efficiency is Po over pi, right? So the efficiency is output, which is 166, 1.66 megawatts, right? Divided by so this is output divided by input. So let's see, hold on here. 1.66 E6 divided by the number I just got is 0.581, which is 58.1% per 100, right? Ta-da.